Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your account and permissions so events sync reliably. Open the Calendar app and select the calendar you'll use most. This prevents duplicates later. Once done, set your week start day and time zone so recurring items align correctly. Make sure notifications are allowed so reminders arrive. Use different calendars for personal versus work to keep clarity. These initial choices reduce rework and ensure invites, reminders, and availability show accurately when you start adding events. You now create and customize events. Tap a date and time, pick duration or toggle all day, add a location so maps and travel estimates appear. Next, invite guests and set visibility versus private so others see only what's needed. Add descriptions, attachments, and links for context. Use recurrence rules for repeating events and choose reminder lead times like 10 minutes or 1 day. Finally, color code and label events to scan your schedule quickly and reduce cognitive load. You finish by ensuring everything syncs and is shareable. Confirm the calendar syncs across your phone, tablet, and web, force refresh or reopen the app if changes don't appear. Share a calendar with teammates and set edit versus view permissions to control changes. Archive or color code completed calendars to reduce clutter. If something goes wrong, check account sign-in, app permissions, and disable airplane mode before retrying. Clearing the app cache often resolves stuck sync or missing event issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.